Are you doing that? What are you doing?
We're going to pee. Or she's going to pee.
But you're not out so much.
Wait, I can't film my face but not film you because I have to face.
That works.
Okay, we can see her though. She's being, and we're handcuffed. She said she was pee shy. That came out so quick. I have my right hand cuffed, and then she has her left because she has homework to do.
Because I'm still a child.
I have homework too, but I'm not going to do it. Mine's also on her computer. Oh, she's wiping. Wait, are you standing up?
Yeah.
Rather not see that, thanks. Oh, hey, look, miss. Are you done? Hey!
Well, first I need to put my strap back on. Because my top strap came off. This is such a nice top. You have a cushion. Cool. Sweet.
Yes.
Because they're kind of starting to.
She has to take her earphones out.
But they're weird.
She has to take
they're
out her
like-
earrings.
Like the thing the bit that goes through my ear slides into the back of the earring. Like it's not like a normal earring, so I have to pull it. But we're attached.
And she's got me attached to her wrist. We didn't
And it really
film
hurts.
when we woke up, but we woke up at like 8. What's the time now? 10. We've been up for 2 hours.
We've just been watching YouTube.
We were watching YouTube. I'd show you, but I don't want to show you my room.
I just like yanked my ear. That was really nice.
We've had a really unhealthy breakfast.
Yeah, we bought sweets yesterday, and that's literally.
And we didn't finish them last
My
night.
mouth is blue.
I've just finished my pack of eclairs, finished my pack of Skittles, and nearly finished my pack of onion rings. I've done it before, but like...
You gotta do what you gotta do.
Oh my god. Oh. It's just this one. It's just the one where we're attached. Like, it's not even the fact that we're attached.
Yeah, because your arm
It's
has
just-
room to move.
It's just my earring, but it's the fact that it's the side that we are attached. So I can't just like pull away from you and
We
try
have
to do
8.5 hours to go. We're both so over it.
If you can't tell.
Like we don't even mind being in the same room.
We wanna get rid of it, but like it's too close to.
Yeah, because it's only 8 hours left.
Like at the same time, we just wanna get you off.
Like we don't even mind being together. It's just like I want to be able to move.
Yeah.
By the way, I've got my right hand, and she's got her right hand free, and I've got my right hand
Yeah, because
cuffed.
later I have to do homework.
And we're both right-handed, but I can use my left hand for most things.
I can use my left hand for a few things, but not as much as mine. So.
I'm a trained ambidextrous. I've actually said that in a video before.
Yeah, she trained herself.
In my first ever
for like
video.
a year.
For like 3.
Yeah. Like trained yourself to use both hands. I swear. to God.
In my first ever
Always
video,
this earring.
I used both my hands to write my name. Did you ever notice that?
Yeah, but, like, I feel like I remember it now, but I haven't watched that video since like you posted it. So.
Yeah, neither have I. I want to do like because in one of my videos I did like I just showed a little snippet of it and it like hurt my feelings. I was like,
Yeah, because you were like kind of funny, but like kind of awkward.
awkward, yeah. And now I'm just like, do you know what? I don't care. What kind of stupid ass earrings are these?
Kitty got them from me. They're from
Kitty,
Spain.
you're an idiot. I can't even tell her. She doesn't even watch my videos, little help.
They're from Spain.
It's my timetable for school.
It's so much. I feel like I'm literally gonna rip my ears.
My arm's getting tired. Hurry up.
I can't. My arm's getting tired too. It's hard when I've just got the dead weight of you.
Oh, sorry.
I should have taken these out before.
I don't get how they work.
This bit goes through your ear, and then there's a hole here, and you push that through the hole. It's hard to get in as well.
I love how my hand is just floating here.
Don't know why.
Oh, we're not doing showers because my shower, we're at my house, my shower is like a see-through thing.
Glass thing.
Yeah,
It's
there's
not
no curtain, so
And I don't feel comfortable showering
yeah,
in my
I'd rather
underwear.
not.
Or in front of Maya. So.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Because I wouldn't feel comfortable getting completely naked, but I'd feel so weird showering in my underwear.
Congrats.
And my ears red, kinda.
Okay, we'll see you in the next clip because, you know, we're not really doing anything fun. Bye. Look at my hand. It looks like it looks like it's not part of me. Like, if you can't see the handcuffs, it's just like something floating around.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Bye. See you later. We're making some toast. We got some bread and we got the toaster down here. And yeah, we're gonna do that right now because we need to film something for this video because there's been nothing so far. Because we're not interesting people. Yeah, and we're not really doing anything. We went to the shop yesterday. Let me just turn on the toaster. Hopefully you on now, mate. Yep, I don't know how you put it back up. We have a new toaster. Oh. How many pieces do you want? 1 or 2? She wants 4.
2-5.
We got 50-50 bread. Because I'm 50-50. Making the nice toast. Oh, where's your phone?
Why?
We can dance. Put it into personal. I want to listen to... What are you doing, Mari? You can come in, just don't go in the camera.
Hello. We need to film like me doing homework and then like I'll do my makeup or something.
Oh yeah, she's got... Oh, please don't do your makeup. I beg.
Sucks for you.
We're gonna have this box here because I've got no bra on.
Personal.
Personal. Girl, you know what?
By something different.
But,
An
like,
ethical approach to banking.
Love that.
Be playing like yeah. This the part where I'm gonna get hurt. I never listened, but I didn't deserve it. It was my first love, like yeah.
Don't take it personal.
I was young and she was my first love, yeah. You know favors, beautiful you, drive me crazy like yeah. Make you wish you would do, yeah. Every time she moves on, she says.
Gonna put some Billy on.
Is
Oh, my toast is done.
put
Since
her
when?
new song on.
Mari, do you want toast?
When the
Yes,
party
yes.
over.
I'll give you 1 piece because I know you won't eat it.
A beautiful song.
I know this.
This is her new one.
Billie Eilish's new song. Lily Mae's in love.
With her music.
Mate, she's got a girl crush on her. My favourite singer is Adele, and maybe Demi Lovato second.
Mine's Billie Eilish, Adele, then
Gutter! When Billie Eilish is singing Bellyache Live, she goes, gutter! At one point. Like, that was a video I saw that she did it. Hey, I have managed to fully do my toast, and she's only just starting her second piece. Oh, I know a song. It's a French song.
Is it the one on one of the edits?
Mm-hmm. Beautiful. I mean fudging. Begins with a D. It's like den something. Mm-hmm. Oh, this song.
Oh ma douce souffrance, lui je suis un peu je déambule seule dans le métro, une dernière immense.
Fuck my bum
Je remue le ciel, le jour, la nuit, nous il n'est qu'un décor qui brille. Je remue le ciel, le jour, la nuit, et dans le bruit.
Ready, ready?
Je remue le ciel, le jour, la nuit, je danse avec.
Are they?
Baby.
Let's get a bit of beep from like 2009 in here. Wait, when did that come out? Wait, 2009, 2010? I was definitely still in primary school. Wait, check what year it came out.
Well, this was 2010.
I was 8.
Whoa.
Wait, it was the year I turned 9, but I was 8. Him.
I know you care. Show whenever, and I'll be there. A weird item, go
Mark.
When I was 13, I had my first love. I was starstruck. Pow. Let's give a beat when I see her in the street, and she knows she got me dazing, cause she was so amazing. But I just keep on saying,
Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, I like baby, 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 oh, baby, baby.
Did my phone just fall? I'm alright. Okay, so we're gonna explain what's going
On.
We're gonna explain what's going on right now, because obviously I'm only showing clips of us being handcuffed and it's like, what's going on?
What's happening?
Basically, we didn't film us putting them on because Amari, my show your leg.
Yeah.
See this leg right here? That's Amari, the boy in these pictures, but don't look at them. He's home right now and his mum was home. I don't like filming when his mum's home. So we just put them on. We put them on at 18:30 exactly. And so we have until then, and the
And
time,
we put a timer on as well.
which is pointless, but yeah. What's the time right now?
6 hours and 12 minutes.
We have 6 hours and 12 minutes left. We did sleep, which I've probably put clips in. But yeah, we're cuffed. And we're gonna be cuffed for another 6 hours and 12 minutes. Hopefully we film and take them off. I'll probably film and take it off because, you know.
Yeah, it's the big reveal. You can't just be like, okay guys, so they're off now.
If what we could do is, the only problem that's been so far is that we want to be able to move more than
we don't
this.
mind being in the same room as each other,
Yeah.
but this close is like...
Yes, inconvenient. Why does my top look so much more see-through? It looks blue.
It's blue.
Oh. I'm wearing a white top, we're looking at a blue sky. My eyes aren't like that.
Maya,
Wait, yeah?
I am
thought
not
that-
film.
Ah! Wait, hold on. Yeah, I know, one sec. On the brightness, it depends.
Oh, do you see my eyes there?
Nah.
Whoa. I don't actually realise how blue my eyes are.
Okay, so now we're gonna go brush our teeth.
And then I'm gonna do my makeup because I don't need to do my makeup because I'm not going anywhere, but I think it's gonna be annoying Maya.
Just do it here. Like, this is good lighting.
Yeah. But it's gonna annoy you, so that's why I'm gonna do it.
I don't have my phone to go on.
Excellent.
Damn, look at that jaw, girl. Slicing watermelon to that motherfudger.
I don't have a jaw, I have a double chin.
Same, I can. My double chin is like.
You got both, you got both. I'm just...
Oh, thumbnail. We're gonna go brush our teeth. This is my
Make sure you
bedroom.
need
That's
my
my bedroom right there.
Maya, I need to bend down.
My bathroom isn't very big. No, that won't fit. Right, let's just get this stuff on first. So, we're gonna be brushing our teeth. I actually can brush my teeth with my left hand, so
Might do that.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
And then you can hold the door with your left hand as well. I'm not very good at it anymore. I used to do it every day and I stopped, so.
You can see how long we're doing it for.
I don't know how long we've brush our teeth for.
No, I mean, we can make sure we do it for the right amount of time.
I just brush my teeth when I feel like clean. Okay, done.
I set a timer for 2 minutes, sometimes 3, and my teeth are already gross.
Ooh.
I can't talk.
I'm gonna hate editing this. I hate looking brush their teeth. To you.
My arm hurts.
Look.
Hey.
Okay, I'm done. I'm satisfied with my brush. First spit first or my spitting first?
It's not far.
Ew!
I would do...
If that was optional mouthwash, I would use it.
What?
Well,
What?
it was burning my mouth so bad. Ow!
Jesus.
Oh, my tongue is on fire. Oh, ow, it hurts so bad. Oh my gosh. I can't put on my white t-shirt. Ah. Okay, I'm fine. Back downstairs to do your makeup. Okay. So, now Lily Mae's gonna do her makeup, which I'm really excited for as I have nothing else I can do.
What about I was about to say what about the mirror, but
She can use the camera.
yeah.
Like, how cute your hair.
It's not that cute.
I got it for my birthday. From my best friend Imogen. Last year, not this year. Did I get it this year?
Doesn't matter, please do your makeup.
I like to start off with my eyebrows.
Baby May's makeup routine!
I'm gonna take this brush that I accidentally put in my makeup bag when I was at Kitty's that I haven't returned yet. So, start with powder, and I don't shape my brows because I'm not a beauty guru.
Maya,
Yeah.
I just
if you put on one of your videos,
I'll fill in
That-
my
on my
eyebrows with
iPad,
powder.
instead of saying the words, you can hear them but not see them.
What do you mean?
But not see it.
Yeah.
But yeah, I start off doing powder.
Okay.
I'm sure my 4 viewers don't care.
Did you just fart?
One of them
Yeah.
is me, and it's like I actually don't know. It's like not gel. It's like
Maya, can you get me my iPad? But
I'm kind
I'll
of.
be in the video.
It's fine, you can go. I'm sorry, I can't go anywhere without Lily May. So you say Maya can get your iPad. Lily May has to get it too.
My cream stuff. I don't know what it's called.
Just, you know, want to pass the time.
Red in this light, but red is brown.
You should let me do it.
No. Ella plucked them once.
There are tweezers upstairs. We're not going to get them, but they're there. Go subscribe to this channel right here. It actually still says Maya B on the background, but my name's just Maya. M-A-Y-A-H. I mean, your hair, so like it's not hard to find.
They look really. Just taking my makeup out. What? Are you serious?
I'm not really on my arm.
How does it? I cut. It doesn't even slow. Wow. It doesn't hurt. It's like, you know when you're like sitting on the floor for really long or something.
Oh, you had
And it,
21
like, invades
subscribers
into
on that.
Day with Maya. No.
We have filmed quite a few videos together, but never uploaded them.
We filmed before she even had a YouTube channel. We used to like to just randomly film videos.
Yeah, and even since I've had them, we've been like, oh yeah, we're going to film this, and then I never actually do it.
Oh,
Oh no, we film it, but I don't upload them.
properly. Yeah.
No, you said no.
And I was very awkward in that video.
Can you remember the...
When we're filming, she's like low volume, and then when we like stop filming, she's like back to normal volume.
I
It's
don't
like
know why.
it's like you turn yourself down.
Yeah, because I don't want to be too loud, but then I'm just not loud enough.
I don't know. I think I do. It depends what I'm talking about.
I brought barely any of my stuff, and I don't know how this is going to work as a bronzer. Let's try it.
2 months. I already have a video planned for in 2 months.
Remember?
Thank you. Damn, he lives down the side of the sofa. That would be very inconvenient. Ireland,
Canada.
Scotland, Wales,
Liverpool.
Bristol.
Make your
20...
arm with me.
It's the
Where?
Like the 20...
Oops.
20th...
This is what we've got so far. I just put a bit of blusher on, and seeing as I only brought 3 brushes because I'm an idiot, I think I'm just going to have to use this one for highlighter.
Highlighter. There's a fly I just killed.
Well, you just killed the fly.
Yeah, it was pissing me off, bothering me.
Why, what are you going to name this video?
But we're doing right now.
Yeah.
A 24-hour handcuff challenge. Two opposite people handcuffed together for 24 hours. Do you reckon that should be my intro again? I just felt like it was too loud. My videos aren't
It's
like...
iconic. It's an iconic.
Because the new one, like, it's just so plain, but then like my videos are also very plain, like boring, like ready salted crisps, a bottle of water and a ham sandwich meal deal.
Maya.
It's been 10 minutes and you've done nothing! I think I like the cup of tea
I'm
one.
literally nearly done.
Which is your favourite video of mine?
The one that you're making right now.
The cup of tea one?
No.
Yeah, but you haven't seen this video yet. Which one is the favourite that you've already seen?
Maya.
Hmm?
Day with Maya.
Oh. I don't know what my favourite video is. I think my favourite video is... If I had more subscribers, I actually would have done it. My 21 subscribers that include Lily Mae and Amari, and like I don't know who the other 2019 people are.
Kitty, Sarah.
I didn't subscribe.
Right, so subscribers I know.
I give you a like.
Shout out to Sarah.
Alright, I know. You, Kitty, Sarah, Kia, Tommy's not subscribed. My dad, my mum, Louis.
I give a like to you.
Okay.
Sometimes.
Throw in a little like.
Does that count?
This is my Wet n Wild gel lip liner.
Someone called Tina.
In shade.
Why don't I know 8 of my subscribers? I know the
doesn't
rest of
have
them.
a shade name, but this is it. Wow, that looks way more pink than it actually is. And I'm just gonna line my lips.
No.
Do you watch all my videos?
Yeah.
Do you watch them all the way through?
Yeah.
Like all the way to the end after the subscribe song?
Go to my channel down below.
Last time I watched your video, your
Did you watch the sociopath one all the way?
But yeah, the thing is, I was so tired. I was literally like not because it was a boring video, because I was like late at night, and I was literally dying. But I was such a true subscriber that I had to watch it.
I mean, it was could have been there the next day. Like you could have just watched it.
Yeah,
the
and
next
now I
day.
literally don't remember anything that happened.
Neither do I, to be honest. I was in a weird mood that video.
You watched
I was like being
all your
crazy.
videos.
I've seen all my videos.
Because you've made them.
I didn't upload this week because I just couldn't be bothered.
I know.
I was gonna put up the dyslexia video, but it's so boring.
Dyslexia.
In the sociopath one, I say in part of it, I'm like, oh, should I do a dyslexia test? And I did it, but I never put it in the video. And I was gonna put it up as a whole separate video, but that's so boring. Here's my earring update. I never did it before, but if you didn't know, I have a piercing right there, mate. But yeah, I got it done in April. So April, May, June, July, August, September, October. I've had it for 6 months.
November.
6 months, it's fully healed.
You can put whatever you want in it now.
I'm gonna put a hoop in. Oh my god, that videos. Her fudging her, I mean. Welcome to Maya's channel. Maya's channel. You look hella ugly. High key ugly. Took you nearly 20 minutes to do that. You literally did your eyebrows and put some eyeshadow on.
And my lips, and my highlighter, and my blusher.
I'm gonna stop filming now. Wop, 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 wow!
Peeing again.
Again, so it's be again, so we're doing it again.
Yeah, nice.
Nice little bit of yowing.
Oh, you're like.
Yeah, like I don't feel weird standing here whilst you're wiping, but like it's the thought is weird.
Joyful and triumphant. How can you never hate me? Why is it only me?
I think maybe because I'm leaning forward, so it's like going on the side.
And we're done.
Cool, bye. We have an hour left. Show the time. Where's your phone? Where's your phone? Where's the scale? No way. They just showed the time on the TV as I said. What's the time? Tap on the screen. We have an hour and 40 seconds left. Ooh, sister. She's gonna make up again. A second time.
I'm just tuning it up.
We have 5 minutes until we can take these bad boys off. I'm so excited to pull away from this hell. Bloody God. We have the magic key that Amari hid from us a couple times.
Don't you have two? Because then we could do it at the same time and we'd both be. Where's your other one?
I don't know. I don't really feel like looking for it. We have some really good lighting because we're in my bedroom. We like lean to the side of
27.
56.
Oh, Jesus.
Down.
And I want a dramatic.
Where's the key though so you can get out? Oh.
Get me out!
Oh yeah, sauce. Just tying it real quick.
She did that so many times.
Oh! Look, I can go up here without you touching me! Woo!
I can stand on my own!
And I didn't even have to think about her moving. I feel like it's still on me, low key, high key, middle key, key to my
feel
heart.
like I can't.
Wait, do you have any marks? I don't, but
No.
I'm brown, so I don't really get marks.
Well, I have to go home because I have a party to go to. No, I have
Even right this second.
my mum's friend's birthday, which I have to go to. So that's fun and fresh.
Yeah, I'm good. So yeah, we're free. Let's go show Kate. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. I
I'm kind
didn't.
of being blinded right now. That's fine.
I didn't enjoy it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked, leave a like. If you didn't like it, leave a like. And I will see you next week. Bye. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.